Avery, what is that?
A spider!
A spider. Is it moving? Did you just get the heebie-jeebies?
Yeah.
Avery, can you say heebie-jeebies?
A finger. Whoa, what in that?
Can you say heebie-jeebies?
Oh, finger.
You didn't touch it.
What happened?
Whoa.
Oh, he's moving up. He's going up.
Rex.
Is he going up or down?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is he moving?
Whoa.
Oh, boy. Do you like spiders?
Bye.
Bye.
Do you like spiders, Avery?
Walking.
Do you like the spider?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's great.
You want Daddy to pick you up so you're nice and close and you could see him?
You see him? No, you're grabbing on. Okay.
Oh, walking. Marching.
He's marching.
Oh, he's moving.
Whoa. Walking. So what? That.
You want to say bye, spider?
Bye, spider.
Bye-bye.